An air fryer is essentially a miniature convection oven. It certainly makes great French fries and other fried foods, but it's also useful for other types of cooking, like roasting, baking, broiling, reheating, and even dehydrating, depending on the kind of air fryer you're looking for. They come in different sizes and styles, so it's best to shop around before buying one. The smaller one is great for cooking for one or two, or smaller families. The oven styles are larger and hold more, and the basket size is usually smaller. I have the basket kind, and it's been fun to learn how to use it. Some of the things to remember when you are cooking your regular recipes are: 1. To reduce the temperature by 25 degrees and reduce the cooking time in half. And make sure you check and flip and turn the food about halfway through. Don't crowd the food. The hot air needs to circulate to get even cooking and browning. Don't be afraid to open the air fryer and check to make sure that your food isn't burning. Oil is necessary, and it makes the food taste better and helps in the browning. But be sure to get an oil sprayer for even coverage. Use avocado, peanut, sunflower, or canola oil. Light olive oil is okay, but do not use extra virgin olive oil as it will burn. And never use cooking sprays as it has an additive in it that may damage the surface of your air fryer. Let's try making some honey mustard chicken in the air fryer. For the honey mustard sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of light olive oil. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you can also use boneless chicken breast as well. Make sure that you pat them dry. Coat the pieces of chicken with the sauce and mix it well. Then you can cover and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Marinating your chicken for about 30 minutes makes the chicken more flavorful, but if you're really hungry, you can go ahead and start cooking right away. Preheat the air fryer, if necessary, to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Some air fryers do not need to be preheated. Then lightly spray the basket with oil. I'm using canola oil. Then place the chicken pieces in a single layer in the air fryer basket, leaving about 1.5 inches between pieces. Cook the chicken thighs for about 9 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using chicken breast, it cooks for about 6 minutes. Now flip the chicken pieces over and cook for an additional 6 to 9 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking good. I'm using an instant read thermometer to check the temperature of the chicken. Remove from the basket and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. Looks like we're ready to eat. I'm plating it up with some rice pilaf and some broccoli and carrots. Hope you'll try it.